Somebody's a little nervous.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a volcano. Drunk. Drunk. On a horse to a volcano. Active volcano, to be exact. And we just signed our death certificate. Okay? And she put my name wrong.
So they'll never be able to contact your family?
Yeah.
I took your oldest mom.
What happened? What happened? This is a bad sign.
You need a life vest.
Live best. Live best. Doesn't get any better.
This is you ending fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside.
We're gonna catch some cows.
And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire.
We are at the top of Mount Taal Volcano. It's just absolutely stunning. Worth the 50? Come over here.
And Sam disappointed us all.
We gotta dispose of the ring.
I don't know.
We got the hobbits.
So what happened, John?
To postpone his war on Middle Earth. Convince you, throwing yourself on the ring.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Made it down. How are your balls?
Smash!
Oh my god. It's soaked.
Everything was this idea. I can feel the person.
Oh my god.
My hair is ruined.
God.